Anaxagoras, a Babylonian sage born on the 3rd century BC. I am what they call a Chaldean mathematician. I am also an astronomer-astrologer, which have studied the stars for countless of years.
I am the Roses of Babylon. I am a priest, writer, and an astronomer born around 300 BC. People credit me with the creation of the very first semicircular sundial, and boy, I only hollowed a circular block. I also established a school of astronomy off the coast of Asia Minor.
I am Kidino. I was born around 4th century BC. I am a famous astronomer and I am also a famous mathematician. I am a part of the Chaldean tribe, which also means that I am a local philosopher. Other astronomers and I predicted lunar eclipses and later solar eclipses with a fair accuracy.
I am Sindicus of Seleucia. I was born on the year 190 BC. I am a proponent of heliocentrism, which is the idea that the sun is in the center of the solar system. I also created a theory in the relation of tides, which, as we know now, is caused by the gravitational pull of the moon on the earth.
I am Nabulu. I am a Chaldean astronomer and mathematician. I devised and made a group of people called Epimedes to know the location of the moon, the stars, and the planets at any given time. Later on, the person of Kidino improves my system. I also calculated the length of time between similar times or from a new moon to another moon.